Greg Sorrentino, the president and CEO of the Center for Disability Services, is an active leader and tireless advocate for people with disabilities, their families, and providers, including those associated with the Cerebral Palsy Associations of New York State. He has worked relentlessly to educate our governmental funding agencies, leaders, and legislators on the critical role our clinics provide in delivering services and the inadequacy in funding to perform those services. His skillful efforts have resulted in an adjustment to the clinic rate, which may be the first since 2008. While doing all of this, Greg has also successfully increased awareness and education of the importance of respecting and valuing services for all people with disabilities, their families, and those who support them. Greg serves as a role model for all leaders, with the belief that we all have the responsibility to drive change.
Hi, John McDonald, member of the New York State Assembly, and I want to thank the organization for supporting Greg for this award, the Susan Constantino Leadership Award. I've had the pleasure and privilege of working with Greg for probably 20, 30 years now when you think about it, and particularly the last several years as a legislator. We have been focusing on addressing the inequities that our individuals with disabilities was having in the healthcare system. And Greg has been a very strong, cogent, logical voice on why changes need to be made. And his tireless support is remarkable in many aspects. So, Greg, thank you for the great work that you do day in and day out with all the partners at Center for Disability Services and throughout the state of New York. And thank you for this great recognition for Greg. It's well deserved.